All right, guys, so if you've ever tried to change the wiper blades on your Grand Highlander and you go to lift the arm to take the blade off, you notice that the arm hits the hood here and you can't lift it up to get the wiper off. You can try, but you got to bend it, and then you're fighting with this and you're going to damage the paint on your hood. There's a quick service mode you can put this into that brings the wipers up so then you can pull them off and access the wipers to change them out. Let me show you how to do that real quick so you're not frustrated when you try to change the wipers on your Toyota Grand Highlander. Okay, so what you're going to want to do once you're inside the vehicle is you turn the ignition to the on. You don't have to start the car, just turn it to on. Okay, now we're going to turn the ignition off, and within 45 seconds we're going to put this up, okay, and we'll hold it for 2 seconds, and that'll put the wipers into service mode. Okay, so we'll see right here, you've got, if you just press it, you've got your wipers that go. We're going to turn it off. Now we're going to push this up, and the wipers now stay in the service position. Okay, so now that you see that these wipers are in the service position, now we can just pull them up this way, and they both are now very accessible. All right, here real carefully, if you look at this wiper underneath here, you can see there's a little tiny lever that you push in. That has a lock on it that you have to press this lever in while you pull back down in order to pull the wiper off. Otherwise, it's locked into the arm itself, and I'll show you that in a second here. So right here, you see there's a little mechanism right there that locks into the arm right here. See that little slot there? So your wiper is going to lock in there. You have to either press something in there like a little screwdriver, or press the lever if there's a little tab or lever on the wiper itself to slide it off. But you press that and then pull down, and you'll be able to pull the wiper off. This one's a little trickier because you got to reach over there and grab it, and it's not easy to reach over here and see what you're doing. So just take your time. Then you take the wiper that you want to install, slide it back up until it locks in place, and you put them back down in the service position. Then we'll go and show you now how to put it back down beneath in the normal position, and you'll be good to go. Now, to put this back into normal mode, now that you've changed the wiper blades, all you do is turn the vehicle ignition back on and hit the wipers once, and it'll put it back down. All right, so I hope you found that helpful and helps you change your wiper blades without being frustrated and damaging the paint on your hood. Until next time, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye-bye.